how to set a video as an iPhone lock screen. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now all you basically have to do is download this app right here. It's called Into Live, and with this app you can turn your videos into live wallpapers. So I've already recorded a video for this video, yeah, so download that app and then open it up just like this. You'll get this right here, just a quick short like tutorial, and you have to allow access to all photos, and then yeah, just do all of this. Now once you've done that, you can already see all your videos. So I'm just going to select this most recent video right here. I just recorded it real quick as I said, and from this point on change it to just keep it like this. You can also change the key photo so that's like the cover photo or the thumbnail. So this video or this picture will be like your lock screen background, but once you click on it, like long hold it, it will play the video. So you can choose what frame you want that on, but this is actually fine. So from this point on, I'm just going to click on make, and then just select no repeat. It says preparing, and click on save live video, and just have to wait for this ad, and then close the ad, and it says save to photos. From here on out, we're gonna go over to the settings, go to wallpaper right here, choose a new wallpaper. Then right here at the bottom I can see live photos, and I'm just going to click on this one right here and just click on set, and then to lock screen, just like that. And now when I close the app and then go to my lock screen, you can see the live video right here, and if I long hold the video, you can see it will start playing. So that's basically how you can add a live video as your iPhone lock screen. And keep in mind, by the way, that the maximum of seconds is 30, so you can you can have any more seconds. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.